Hi there, my name is Brennan Desautelle, and today we are going to be learning a very good recipe to make some yummy guacamole. Now, before we begin, you want to make sure you have all of your ingredients ready, and next up we're going to have a list of everything you could possibly need, including some extras. The first thing you want to prepare is the green onions. I have them out here, and it's super easy. So we're going to start with one simple green onion, take the rest, put them to the side, and what you're going to want to do is take the tip, take your big knife, and very carefully cut it off. Once your tip is off, you're going to want to take it from the top part and peel away the outer layers. So once you have your green onion fully peeled, you're going to want to dice it into small pieces. The first step is to take your knife and make one simple long cut the long way against the green onion. Make sure you do not cut your fingers, because that would be very bad for you. And once you have it sliced in two, keep it horizontally, and then take your finger like this against the knife, have the tip down, and simply chop away. Once you've sliced it all at once, you're going to want to take your knife, push it all together, and then slice it through another time, just going across horizontally like so. And then simply shovel them away into the bowl. Next up, we're going to be dicing our banana peppers. You can get these in basically any convenience store, and the ones we got were already pre-sliced, so it's going to be a little easier. We'll scoop out about 2 or 3 should be good for us. Dicing the banana peppers is super easy. You just want to take your knife, hold it the same way, and then we're going to line them up, go across one direction, and then push them together and go across another direction. All right, once you have all your banana peppers properly diced, you can also put them into the bowl. Next up, we're going to be doing the avocados. Now for this recipe, I'm only going to use one avocado for the sake of time, but you can use as many as you want. It'll just be, more avocado. All right, so the first thing you want to do is take your avocado and we're going to slice it all the way around the long direction, cutting it in half. But we don't want to cut through the pit. So it's very simple. You want to start with it flat, make a simple incision as if you're cutting in half, and then instead of going through, you want to just roll the avocado without removing the knife. All right, the next part here is a little dangerous, you want to be extra careful. Take the side of the avocado with the pit in it and take the other side, put it away face down. Now you're going to want to take your knife and bring it down to the center of the pit in a clean sweeping motion, but be very careful not to slice fully through it. Once you pull the pit out, you're going to be good to go. Now what you want to do is take both of the avocados, take your knife, and then you're going to want to slice across it and then just cut it into little squares. Be careful not to cut through the actual avocado skin, but cut through all of the actual avocado meat. After you fully slice through both the avocados, you're going to want to take a spoon and simply scoop it out and then into your bowl. Next, you simply take your spoon and mix it all together. If you want to, you can smush it down so it'll be a little more smooth, but I like to keep mine chunky. All right, now that we have everything all mixed together nice and good, we're gonna add our final ingredients. Now, I actually forgot my lime today, but if you want, you can add about 2 drops of lime juice or about a 1/4 slice of lime, and then on top of that, salt, pepper, cilantro, tomatoes, anything you want really. But my favorite thing to add is sriracha. Just a few drops is all you need. Then just give it one final stir around real quick, just to spread through the sriracha. You're all set. Now, obviously, I didn't actually make that much guacamole here. This is kind of like a serve for 1 or 2 people only. But if you want to make more for a party, say, just simply add up everything in the same increments. Anyway, that's how you make guacamole. Perfect on toast, perfect on, with chips, salsa, whatever you want.